These are the mods I made to my Harbor Freight wheel vise for my Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. I 3D printed some tire guides to help a tire, if it's off center, slide around and go in. It's also angled for the exit to hopefully protect the rubber pads, keep them from getting ripped off by a tire eventually. It's loose. These two screws hold it in a slot. I also changed all the bolts to these socket head screws because sockets for a hex head bolt won't fit in the space. I need to be able to remove this when I'm storing my lift, so I made one other modification. This mod is to the table where I welded on all the nuts underneath so I don't have to mess with nuts and washers in addition to the bolts. So it only takes about 5 minutes to install and remove. Just thought I'd share. We're about to find out how long it takes to remove this wheel vise after making my modifications. Should be interesting for me at least. Just using hand tools. Less than 3 minutes. By the way, this is why there's a first aid kit in my channel logo. Now let's see how long it takes to install. Four minutes. Since I have to store it leaning against the wall, upright on its edge, this is giving me another foot of room in the garage, not being used by these pushing against the wall. Not bad. Welding those nuts on the bottom was a good thing. And changing these bolts so they don't need sockets.